Hi, in this tutorial, we will see how supervisors approve time cards submitted by their direct reports. The attendance approval page is available to supervisors and administrators only. On this page, you will see two tabs: Attendance Time Card Pending Approval and Approval History. Select the employee name from the drop-down list and time card date ranges and click the search button. All time cards pending review will be displayed here in the data grid below. The second tab contains historical time cards that are already processed. Under the Pending Approval tab, a manager can see all attendances awaiting approval under the first tab, Attendance in Pending Approval State. Here you can see all submitted entries and relevant details for each attendance. You can check submitted entries submitted by team members in the grid. This grid also allows supervisors to quickly approve or reject attendance cards by clicking these approve or reject icons. Also, submitter of the attendance will have to resubmit the rejected time entry after making corrections or addressing exceptions raised by the approver. If you need to change your decision after the action is completed, then the submitter of the time sheet will have to fill up the missed attendance and resubmit for the approval. The attendance approval page will contain time cards submitted from the clock in and clock out page and working hours page. It should also be noted that the attendance approvals can also be processed using the supervisor workbench. In other words, attendance approval and supervisor workbench pages are two options supervisors have to manage their team's attendances. Next, you can also use the approval workbench to manage attendance. Approval Workbench is a pretty handy tool where you can review attendance of all of your staff in a given day. This is a productive way of managing attendances where you do not have to individually approve one employee at a time. Simply select the date for which you want to process the attendance entries. Here you will see attendance reported for the selected date for all staff who have reported attendance for that day. Here you can approve or reject individual attendance entry, enter approver comments, and also approve or reject all attendance entries on the go. Similarly, you can approve or reject all attendance from all staff on this page. To review attendance entries for the next day, simply select the date and load attendance entries for the selected day. Once you are ready to take action on these attendance, simply approve or reject button and acknowledge the confirmation pop-up. Note that, once approval or rejection is performed, you cannot reverse these actions. Also, Approver Workbench does not store history of previously approved attendances. All previously processed approval attendance history is available under Approval History tab. To process another employee's attendance, simply select the employee from the drop-down box and launch Reported Attendance for the selected day. This completes the attendance approval tutorial. Thank you.